Hi, my name is London, and today I created an alarm design that can help a girl named Emily feed her donkey when he needs to get fed, because sometimes she's not always there to feed him, so she always forgets. So this will go off and tell her when the food runs out. Well, here are the material you will need for everything, and then here are some instructions that you can pause this to read, and there's also more, as you see. And then here are some other instructions for you to see. There's some over here. So then here are the last instructions you will need, which some of these directions look really hard, but they are very easy. Okay, for some of you that don't know what a schematic diagram is, well, there are also circuits. Well, circuits are electricity that flows. So here is a closed circuit. A closed circuit means that it is on, working. See this? This right here is the switch, and right now the switch is on. So that means the light is going. So it's on. And here's an open. The switch is off and the light isn't working. And so me and my group, we were trying to find and help out Emily. But here's our first design. It didn't go very well, but we still worked together, and it kind of went good. See, we used buzzers so she could hear when it needs, a bulb so the light will go off just in case she can't hear it, the trough, which has the water on it, so when it runs out, the trough will fall down onto the wire. And here is our D cell, aka the battery. The battery gets all the energy, makes the whole thing work. So basically, it's the most important part about the circuit. So then, this is my new design, which I tested out, and it really worked. It might look confusing, but the instructions that we had earlier over here, see, that was to that one. So it worked really well. So let's go to the next thing. Say for right here, I used some metal, so when it falls down, it won't get so when it falls down right there onto the wire, which will make the whole thing work. Say for a paperclip, for instance. The paperclip is metal. You can use that. You also can use metal. You can also use the coins, but you can't use the money, because the money is paper and it won't work. You also can't use rubber. Even though some things look like they will work, they won't. So let's go to the next one. You cannot use stuff you find right under the couch, because even though you might find some cotton and you think that's going to work, it won't. So to make the trough, how we made the trough, just if you were wondering, we used cardboard for the testing to hold We used a cup, and then we had some water in it, and when the water went out, it would fall down. We also used like a little cylinder at the bottom, so it would help. See? Thank you.